Pump myself up. Pump myself up. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are filming another episode of Kimchi, and hopefully we make some good food. That's creepy. I feel like maybe I shouldn't talk with a knife in my hand. Let's get started. Does anybody want to make me like a opening music? Anyone? Today we're going to make some waffles. We're gonna make kimchi waffles, and if you haven't had kimchi waffle, you are not living. Seriously, you need to try some kimchi waffles. There's two ways to do this. One is to put kimchi directly into the batter, and the other way is to put kimchi on top of the waffle and just push the waffle maker on the kimchi with cheese. It's just really good, you guys. Like, you don't even know. If I had children, this would be passed down to children, like as family recipe. That is how valuable this is. So I have this little mini waffle maker, and also how cute is this? This has the peace sign on it. To make these waffles, you just apparently, actually usually don't do this part. Brian does this part, but I guess I'm doing this part today because I have to. I have no choice. Let's just get to it. Okay, so to make this part, you need 1.5 cup of mix, water, 2/3 cup of water, eggs, and oil. Okay, that seems pretty easy. We're just gonna make 2 to 3 7-inch waffles, because look how small. Ow! Hot! Stop it. I'm not gonna grab it. I'm just gonna open it. I feel like I need an apron. Can someone bring me an apron? Alright, let's just open this. Okay, I opened it very poor. Oh! How do I do this? Like, okay. Well, you know, I'm just gonna do it over here. I feel like it's like, oh shit! Whoops. Ah! Ah! 1 and half. This is not rocket science, though it looks like I'm conducting an okay, that's half a cup, whatever. Okay, we're just doing that. This could be like dry shampoo. You can like put it in your hair as like dry shampoo. Okay, we are going to, what are we doing next? Okay, we have to put 2/3 cup of water. That's easy. This is a half cup. So we just put 2 of these. Math. Look at me doing math.
I don't think you did the math right.
What do you mean? That's 2/3. Oh. Not that kind of Asian, I don't know. Oh, they have a 1/3 cup. Okay, 2 of these is 2/3. The math. 3 tablespoons, which is 3 of these. Math. Look at, here's my handy dandy tool. Isn't this cute? Like, what? I can mix it with nipple mixer. Oh! Dude, come on. Fucked up. Oh. I didn't know it was gonna like be all smoky and shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the kimchi on top, and I'm gonna put the cooked kimchi in here. That's probably like the best solution. Yes, I have done this before, but I'm just saying, like, that's the best solution. Okay, right. Before we cook the kimchi, we have to cut it, because I feel like nobody wants a long kimchi, you know? And then you're gonna be like putting it, like, look how long this is. Okay, so we're gonna use this glove, because I don't want to touch the kimchi, and I don't want it to get all over my hands, so I'm just gonna use this handy dandy glove. And I'm just gonna cut it. And you wanna cut it about like 1 inch, half an inch? I don't know. But like around that. Like half an inch probably. I don't know, you can see what I'm doing, just like that. All right, let's go cook the kimchi. First is you put a shit ton of butter in. Let's just use my hand. Then you just slide the kimchi in. Oh my god. And you just fry it. It's very easy how to do this. Like all you have to do is like just, if I can do it, like literally an animal can do it. Okay, it's not sizzling anymore, which means you gotta turn up the heat. Ugh. Are we done yet? Am I supposed to grease the waffle maker? Okay. I'm gonna just grease it because I feel like it's better to have it not sticky. So I'm just gonna, it's so mini and cute. Now we are going to do a special batch where we put the kimchi on top. So I'm not gonna put it in the mix. I'm just gonna put the mix in. And I probably just need a little bit. So I'm just gonna put the mix in. Oh my god, yes. And then I'm gonna put the kimchi on top. Like kind of in the batter a little bit. Like that. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more on top to like close it up. But not completely, that's fine. And then just close it. Hopefully it turns out well. Oh my god, it is so cute. It's really cute, you guys. Like, oh my god. Okay, we do need to put a little bit of butter, but like a fresh one. Oh my god, what the fuck happened to this butter? What the fuck? Like, what? I just really took it out of here. What the fuck? I'm fucking shook. Oh god. Woo! Okay, what I like to do. Oh my gosh, should we look at the other side? Oh my god, where do I put this? Wait. Oh! Oh my god, how cute is this? Okay. And then, oh, that is too much butter, it seems like. A little bit of kimchi on top after you put in the butter. And then you put the cheese on top like this. And technically you're supposed to put it back in here and just like do that for a second, you know? I mean, I kind of expected that, but...
Put the cheese in the middle.
Oh my god, wait, but it is getting melty, so that's great. I'm gonna see if, yeah, if you put the cheese in the middle, like what happens, okay. And then put the, where's the cheese? Put the cheese in. And then put a little bit of this in again. And smush. This one's taking a little longer because I put a little bit more in than last time. It is steaming. It looks so good. Okay, let me just, oh my god, look at this. Okay, wait, I'm gonna put the butter while it's in here so that it like melts, you know? Because last time it did not melt. So I'm gonna like put that in, melt it in. See, look at that. It's very melty, melty, melty. Oh my god, look how cute this is. Isn't this so cute? Okay, the finishing touches. I'm gonna put the kimchi on top. All right, so I got a little bit of syrup and I swear it's really good with syrup. Okay, I'm gonna taste into this one. And I'm gonna put a little bit of syrup. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit of syrup on it. Oh my god. I don't know about that. When I made it last time, it was really good. Well, let's try this one. I'm gonna cut into it because it's gonna look so good. He's inside. Ooh, see like the cheese inside. What if you eat this with ketchup and hot sauce? Oh yeah, this was the thing. Alright everyone, that is the end of my video, and I wouldn't say this was a success, but Last time I made it, I swear it was good. I don't know what happened this time, but I think it's still okay, like relatively edible and like yummy. Not that edible should be like your way, your standard of cooking, but I think it's pretty good. I think if you could melt the cheese on top of the waffle at the right temperature. I feel like this was just like too small of a waffle iron, because last time I did it with the iron with like 4 waffle like sections, so I feel like it was bigger coverage. But I think if you can do that, it would be super, super good. I still would eat the rest of this. I would say get something without like a vanilla undertone, because I feel like this definitely has like a vanilla undertone. I don't know why. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up so that I know that you like it, so I make more videos like this one. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Okay, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!